Hello, and welcome to Video 1, the introductory video for the SLO software for Delhi Unified School District. In this video, we will provide an important overview of the function and general processes associated with this platform. You will gain an understanding of the following 4 items. First, the purpose of the platform, the basic layout and structure of the platform, where to go to craft your SLO, and the content of the remaining videos. This software will be where you go to create your SLO, submit it for approval, see comments from your reviewers, and put in formative and post-assessment scores. Let's talk about moving around the system. The home page will include updates and messages as well as all of the videos. To get the SLO information, click on Student Learning Objectives near the top of the page. Next, you'll use the small triangle to the left of Student Learning Objective to move to the next step. Select Edit. You can now see that the SLO process is divided into 4 phases: preparation, development, implementation, and results analysis. You will automatically be sent to the preparation phase. Here you'll find important documents related to the SLO process. You can see the documents listed below. Click on any one of these to open the document. Note that clicking on the learning standards will take you to another page where the main content standards are located. You should download an electronic copy of your standards if you have not done that already. History and social sciences standards are now being added to the desktop. The next phase you will see in the arrow bar is Phase 2, Development. This is the main location you will use to create your SLO. We see 2 main functions in this section: SLO Development and the Quality Rating rubric. To the right of each of these you'll see a plus sign. We'll click on that now, and the steps in the development phase will open. Each of the SLO elements is considered a separate step, and you will enter information one element at a time. We're going to open Student Population now. To do so, we'll click on the Actions button and select Manage. This will allow us to fill out this section of the SLO. In some cases, the content is too long to fit on one page of the software. You just have to click on New on those pages to expand the content. Going back, we're going to look at the Quality Rating rubric. It works the same way. You see the steps opening, and you can use View to see what is on that page at this point. We will come back to that later as well. Each section here parallels what you've seen in your SLO template, with one notable difference. In some cases, because of how the system works, the content might not be in the same order as the template. It's all there, just reordered. There is no additional information requested. It would be a good idea to keep your printed SLO template with you to speed up the process of entering information. One nice thing about the system is that you can move from one element to another, completing part of the steps and then going back and finishing later. This works well with our notion that SLOs are a recursive model with all elements intertwined and affecting each other. Just remember to save every time you leave a page. Sometimes the system completes calculations for you, and this will only happen after you save it. To complete the growth targets, you will have to save your student population one day in advance. This is because the student information is updated overnight. The SLO development phase is also where you submit your SLO for approval. Communication to you about approvals will come back in emails generated by the system, but you need to go back to the platform to read the comments. The next phase down the SLO process tab is Phase 3, Implementation. This is currently being developed, but will provide you with a place to go to enter formative data for both you and your administrator to reflect on the SLO at the midpoint. The final phase is Results Analysis. Here is where you will input summative scores and your administrator will review and respond to the results. This phase is in development, but you will not use it for some time. The rest of the videos in the system are divided by SLO element. Each video is approximately 5 minutes long to allow you to break up the review as desired. We recommend that you watch all of the videos, as navigating through the system may not be completely intuitive. You can watch the video as often as required. Additional videos will be forthcoming as the phases are completed. We thank you for your participation in this beta pilot of the SLO software. We have worked hard to include as many options as we could, but there are many improvements still to come. Our goal is to make the SLO input process as simple as possible and allow you to focus your effort on the important work of SLOs, student learning. Thank you very much.